Welcome to Intuitive Adam. And today I have a very quick message, beloveds. A reminder of all beautiful things, necessary and natural, in our lives today. It is you that give power, that gives grace, that gives happiness, that gives life a meaning. Entitled, beloveds, Joyful Noise. I thank you all for tuning in to another amazing message from Intuitive Adam. From my light to yours. Really quick, listen, beloveds. We must dance as though no one is watching us. We must love as though we have never been hurt before. We must sing as though no one can hear us. And we must live as though heaven is here on earth. After all, we give all of those things meaning. We give source meaning to continue, to beautify, to create. Beloveds, you are enough to carry us all through dark times and, of course, through the sunny days. When you feel low, look in the mirror and you look at yourself and say, I am proud of me. I am proud of all the things that I have succeeded. I am strong enough to conquer every obstacle, for I am beautiful enough to love and love forevermore. To be loved is to love. We must know to understand. As we lift up ourselves, we are lifting up those around us, and even those 1,000,000 miles across the earth, because together we are Intuitive Adams, the body of inspiration, the body of life, and more importantly, we are the body of source. All beautiful, natural things. Lift up yourself today, beloveds. Peace, love, and almighty light unto you all in your lives forevermore. This is Intuitive Adam.